Indeed, we have in all our Raman microscopes a specific confocal hole in order to select and to filter the signal coming only from the focal point under the microscope. This confocal hole is on the Raman optical pathway just before the spectrometer in order to have a very perfect confocality. On most of our systems, it is the case on the Labram Soleil and on the Labram HR Evolution, we have a motorized hole, meaning that we have the possibility to adjust the hole at the size that we want in order to achieve the level of confocality as expected by the user. On the Explorer system, which is also a confocal Raman microscope, we have 3 different physical holes of different size in order to select the level of confocality that we want to achieve.